Good morning students, welcome to Mulkra online class. It's maths lecture of grade 3. Students, it's chapter number 1 whole numbers. Today we will solve page number 8. Look at this. Count and write, then draw beads on the abacus. Look at this, it is 1000, it is 100. It is 1000 and it is 100. So it is 1100. And look at this, we have to draw one bead on 1000 box, and in the 1 in the 100 it is 1100. In the tens and 0 there is nothing. Next, look at the B part. Here we have 2000. 1 and 2 it is 2000 and it is 100. 2100 and it is 1 and 2 2 tens. And how many ones? We have nothing, 0 ones. So it is 2120. 2120. Next we have 1000. 1 2 3 4, it's 400 and 1 2 3 4 5, it is 5 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is 7 ones. So it becomes 1457. Then draw the beads on the abacus. It's 1457. Now look at D part. 1 2 3, how many thousands? 3 thousands. And how many ones? 100. It is 0 we have nothing 100 here. It is 0 and now tens. 1 2 3, it is again 3 tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. 3032. 3032. Next we have 1000. How many hundreds? 1 2 3 4 5, it is 500. And how many tens? Look at this, here we have nothing, so it is 0. And how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 ones. So it is 1506. Next, look at page number 9. Write the names of these numbers. It is 6720. 6720. Next we have 5094. 3008. 3008. 7900. 7506. 2506. Next we have 8547. 1011. 9704. Students, next we have page number 10. Write the names that matches each names. 2366. It is 2366. Next we have 5604. It is 5604. 5604. 9052. It means 9052. 9052. 7120. 7120. 7120. 1111. 1111. 6009. 6009. 6009. 9 on the ones place. 8900. It is 8900. 8900. 3442. 3442. Next exercise. Write these numbers in thousands, hundred, tens and ones. Look at it, it is 1500, 8 tens and 9 ones. Now we write this, it is 6000. Next we have 400, it's 7 tens and 1 ones. 7200, 0 tens, 4 ones. 5600, 9 tens, 0 ones. It is 4000, 0 2 tens, 6 ones. Next we have 2000, 0 0 tens and 8 ones. Next 3800, 0 tens, 2 ones. 9500, 2 tens, 7 ones. Students, next we have page number 14. We have to write the place value of the circle digit. Look at this, it is ones, tens, 100. It means it is 600. It is 600. Now we have it is ones, tens, 100, 1000. It means it is 9000. So we have to draw 9 beads on the 1000. Next we have it is ones and tens. It means 2 tens. Again draw 2 beads on the tens box. Next we have ones, tens, 100. It is 900. Write the value of the circle digit. Here we have 9 tens or 90. B part, it is 4 ones or 40. It is 100. Next we have 3000. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 6 tens means 60. It is 60,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is 6,000. Ones, tens, 100. It is 800. Again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It means it is 4 tens means 40. So it is 40,000. So next look at this. It is the smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Same like this, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. The greatest 3-digit number is 9099. The greatest 3-digit number is 999, and the greatest 4-digit number we have 9999. It is 9999. So students, solve these pages on your countdown books. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.